We have already learned how to find opposite and adjacent sides of an angle in the previous session. Now, we shall define some trigonometric ratios of an angle. There are 6 trigonometric ratios. 3 of them are sin theta, cosine theta, and tangent theta. The short form of these ratios are seen in this picture. The short form of sin theta is sin theta, that is sin theta. The short form of cosine theta is cos theta, that is cos theta. The short form of tangent theta is tan theta, that is tan theta. We are going to learn the formulae of trigonometric ratios. Sin theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Cos theta is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. How to remember this formulae? We shall try to learn this clue. Looking at trigonometric ratios sin and cos precedes sin as per alphabetic order. The other sides, looking on opposite and adjacent side precede opposite side as per alphabetic order. Hence, sin for opposite side, cos for adjacent side. We shall find trigonometric ratios of angle A. Sin A is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse, that is equal to capital letter BC by capital letter AB, that is equal to small letter A by small letter C. Cos A is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse, that is equal to capital letter AC by capital letter AB, that is equal to small letter B by small letter C. Tan A is equal to opposite side by adjacent side, that is equal to capital letter BC by capital letter AC. This is equal to small letter A by small letter B. Now we shall find trigonometric ratio of the other acute angle B. Sin B is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse, that is equal to capital letter AC by capital letter AB, that is equal to small letter b by small letter c. Cos B is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse, that is equal to capital letter BC by capital letter AB, that is equal to small letter a by small letter c. And tan B is equal to opposite side by adjacent side, that is equal to capital letter AC by capital letter BC, that is equal to small letter b by small letter a. We shall now learn the other trigonometric ratios. These ratios are reciprocal ratios. They are cosecant theta, secant theta, and cotangent theta. The short form of cosecant theta is cosec theta, that is cosec theta, and the short form of secant theta is secant theta itself, while we write sec theta, and the short form of cotangent theta is cot theta, cot theta. Hence, the multiplicative inverse of sin A is cosecant A, and the multiplicative inverse of cos A is secant A. The multiplicative inverse of tan A is cot A. Hence, sin A into cosecant A is equal to 1. Cos A into secant A is equal to 1. Tan A into cot A is equal to 1. The short form of cosecant A may also be written as CSCA, cosecant A. Hence, 1 by sin A is equal to cosecant A, or 1 by cosecant A is equal to sin A. 1 by tan A is equal to cot A, or 1 by cot A is equal to tan A. 1 by secant A is equal to cos A, or 1 by cos A is equal to secant A. So far we have learnt 6 trigonometric ratios. Recalling these 6 ratios, sin A is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Cos A is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Tan A is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Cosecant A is equal to hypotenuse by opposite side. Secant A is equal to hypotenuse by adjacent side, and cot A is equal to adjacent side by opposite side. I hope all of you might have understood these 6 trigonometric ratios. Thank you.